This week on The Toxic Inspector.
Wilson! Wilson? Wilson! There you are. Listen, a woman in Chatsworth is about to purchase a party tray of gas station sushi. We must make haste. Wilson? Wilson?
Hey, I was almost done with that level.
What is this?
It's the new game my daughter told me about. Crazy Candies?
Well, I'm sorry, Wilson, but this is for your own good. We live in exciting and challenging times. Technology is advancing faster than we ever could have dreamed, but if we're not careful, we may wind up letting technology control our lives, bringing a myriad of health risks with it, especially for young children.
I have young children.
You are a young child.
Fair enough.
Did you know that the blue light emitted by smartphones, laptops, and televisions can disrupt your sleep schedule and cause eye strain, headaches, and fatigue? It's all because of your circadian rhythm. Think of this as your body's internal timekeeping mechanism. The circadian rhythm is regulated in part by the body's exposure to light, particularly to blue wavelengths, such as the daylight and LED light. Exposure to these types of light after the sun's gone down slows the body's secretion of melatonin, a neurotransmitter that helps your body and brain to get to sleep.
So using my phone too much is what's been ruining my sleep.
That's right, and that's not all. An excess of screen time can lead to a host of developmental and behavioral issues in young children, who are more likely to suffer adverse health effects as a result of this lost sleep.
I get all that, Inspector, but it's just so addicting.
Well, you should do what you can to keep screen time outside of work under 2 hours. If you're like Wilson here and can't seem to put it down, consider investing in a pair of blue light glasses. This will help reduce eye strain and other negative side effects of LED light. Here you go, Wilson.
Blue light glasses? I better do some research to make an informed purchase.
No, Wilson. Come on, there's a woman in Chatsworth and she's gonna eat something bad if we don't. No, forget it.
What?
Don't miss an exciting new episode of The Toxic Inspector, only on Dherbs TV.